St. Lucia is continuing on the path of full implementation of the revised Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, OECS Harmonized Primary School Curriculum. Principals of infant and primary schools attended a two-day professional learning workshop designed to model best practices in balanced literature instruction and to support school leaders in preparing for effective curriculum implementation. Chief Education Officer Beverly Diodoni welcomed participants from Districts 1 to 4 who assembled at the Groseille Human Resource Development Center and stressed on the importance of the workshop.
So whatever training sessions, capacity building training sessions that we engage in, I want you to really immerse yourselves in the training because we are going to roll out the new curriculum. As leaders within our education system, you occupy a critical position in ensuring that the reforms, like our curriculum reform, is not merely discussed on a policy level, but these reforms move from policy to practice.
Curriculum Officer for English at the Curriculum and Materials Development Unit CAMDU, Jennifer Raphael, noted that with the advent of the harmonized curriculum collaboration and commitment to best practices in literacy instruction are crucial.
Literacy is the foundation of all learning. When our students become confident readers, writers, speakers, and thinkers, they are better equipped to succeed not only in school, but also in life. Workshops such as these, allow us to reflect on our practices, share ideas, and build a collective vision for effective literacy teaching across our schools.
Training for Districts 5 to 8 were held at the National Skills Development Center, NSDC, VF4. From the Department of Education and Digital Transformation, I'm Ryan O'Brien.